Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Maths with PHANEENDRA. In this video, I am going to discuss about Ellipse Eamcet preparation problems 2003 for AP and TS students. Hi dear students, good morning all of you. Just I want to discuss some questions, 4 to 5 questions I want to discuss with you. Important related Eamcet. We can expect this type of questions. So you come to here, area of the quadrilateral formed by the extremities of the major and minor axis is 8√3. The distance between foci is 4√2. Then the eccentricity of the ellipse is. So we need to draw the figure, dear students, compulsorily. Then you will get it idea. See here, first according to the question, if you draw the figure, this is the rough figure of ellipse. Okay. What they are asking is area of the quadrilateral formed by the extremities of the major and minor axis is 8√3. See, this is the center, major axis A dash, B dash, extremities. I hope you understand. The area of quadrilateral formed by the extremities. So join these two and join these two, join these two and join these two. So this area we have to calculate, dear students. We need to calculate this area. What I am doing is to get the complete area of this figure. If you calculate area of triangle ACB 4 times, then the area of quadrilateral will come. See, the area of quadrilateral is equal to the area of quadrilateral is equal to 4 times of area of triangle ABC or ACB or ABC. According to the figure, we need to write ACB. Anyway, both are same. 4 times of half into, we know that from here to here distance is A, from here to here distance is B. So half AB only, no? So it should be equal to 2 times of AB. But the area of quadrilateral is given as 8√3. Clearly they mentioned it, dear students. Since 2AB is equal to 8√3. If you simplify this, AB is equal to 4√3. Do you got this answer? AB equal to 4√3. Keep in mind. After that, distance between foci is 4√2. It is given that. So distance between foci is 4√2. Distance between foci means S and S dash only, no? This is S and this is S dash. Given S dash equal to 2AE, that value is also equal to 4√2. So if you simplify, AE is equal to 2√2. After that, here squaring on both sides, AB square. So we are getting here A square, B square is equal to 4√3 whole square. 4 square is 16 into 3, 48. After that, A square, B square can be written as A square into 1 minus E square is equal to 48. I hope you understand this, students. So here we have the value of A, you know. So A square into 1 is A square whole square minus a square, one of the a square you can keep it like this, and a square into e square means ae whole square only, no? That 48 I am taking this side. ae value 2 root 2 substitute in this and simplify. A square whole square minus ae whole square, 2 root 2 whole square is 8. A square into 2 root 2 whole square minus 48. So a square whole square minus 8a square minus 48. So by factorization, a square whole square, 48 is there means 12 fours are 48, minus 12a square plus 4a square minus 48 equal to 0. So a square, if you take out common, a square minus 12 plus 4 into a square minus 12. So a square plus 4, are you able to see, dear students? 1 minute I will. Yeah, it is able to see. So from this we can conclude that a square plus 4 equal to 0, that implies a square equal to minus 4. It is not possible. It is absurd. But a square minus 12 equal to 0. So a square is equal to 12. It comes a square equal to 12. But what they are asking? They are asking to find the eccentricity. So a is equal to obviously root 12 only will come now. Root 12 means 2 root 3. So a is equal to 2 root 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2 root 2. A value we have 2 root 3 into e is equal to 2 root 2. Both sides 2 to get cancelled. E is equal to root 2 by root 3. Therefore, e is equal to root 2 by 3. So therefore, the eccentricity of right option, dear students. I hope you understand. I'll move to the next question here. If alpha, beta are the eccentric angles of the extremities of the focal chord of the ellipse, x square by 60 plus y square by 9 equal to 1, then tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 equal to. These are the options provided. Dear students, you remember your rough figure I am going to draw according to the question. Center A dash, B dash. S and S dash are the focus or foci of the. If you draw like this, the line which is passing through the focus is called focal chord. This is the focal chord. So this one and this one are the ends. P, Q are the ends of the focal chord. Focal chord. Eccentric angle means P of theta 1. According to the question is alpha and beta. P of alpha and Q of beta. The meaning of P of alpha is A cos alpha, comma B sin alpha. A cos beta, comma B sin beta. According to that. So whenever it is the focal distance, focus is what? A comma 0 only, no? Whenever these are collinear, we have standard results. Once you go through that intermediate textbook maths 2B, Telugu Academy example problem based on that we got in Eamcet or J means this type of concept. Directly we have that. So whenever it is a focal chord, then we have the result tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 is equal to E minus 1 by E plus 1. This is the standard result, dear students. Keep in mind. Whenever it is a focal chord of the ellipse, whose extremities are alpha and beta, eccentric angles with. So we need to calculate for the given equation of ellipse eccentricity. A square is equal to 16, B square is equal to 9. So A square equal to 16, B square is equal to 9. Obviously A is greater than B. Eccentricity E is equal to root over A square minus B square by A square. So 16 minus 9 is 7 by 16. So it comes root 7 by 4. Substitute in this. Root 7 by 4 minus 1 divided by root 7 by 4 plus 1. After taking LCM, it comes as root 7 minus 4 by root 7 plus 4. Okay. Now, root 7 minus 4 multiplying and dividing, rationalizing we are doing, students. So we get A minus B whole square expansion 7 plus 16 minus 8 root 7. It comes as 2 into 4 into root 7 by A plus B into A minus B. 7 square means root 7 whole square is 7 minus 16. So 23 minus 8 root 7 divided by 7 minus 16 is minus 9. So if you remove this minus, it will be interchange 8 root 7 minus 23 divided by 9. Therefore, the value of tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. We may expect this type of question, dear students, in the Eamcet examination coming 2023, either in AP or TS. This is the example question, example concept in the Telugu Academy. Once you go through, my suggestion is those who are appearing for Eamcet, not only in 2B, mathematics 2A, 1A, 1B, just you go through the concepts of different examples and standard results of the particular topics. You can prepare. So I will move to another question. I will write it. Till the time you can copy. Within 1 minute I will come there. I will write the another question. Minimum 4 to 5 questions I will explain, dear students, in this session. If possible, evening also, limits and continuity, previous Eamcet questions, I will make it. So the next question, tangents are drawn to the ellipse. Tangents are drawn to the ellipse. X square by 9 plus y square by 5 equal to 1 at the ends of latest rectum. At the ends of latest rectum, then the area of quadrilateral formed is, so first option 27 by 55, second option 27 by 4. So tell me next one, 27 by 2, the fourth option is 27. So how to do? Like first problem what we did, no? In the similar way we can do. But dear students, here what you have to do is, first rough figure of this ellipse you have to draw that. This is the rough figure of the ellipse. These are the length of latest rectums. This is L dash. Here also another one is there, like L1, L1 dash. You can take it, dear students. This is S dash. This is S. This is C, A, B, A dash, B dash. First, L value, length, latest rectum ends A by A comma B square by A comma minus B square by A. At this point, you draw the tangents. So not only at this point, even these also. Just I will draw the rough figure with the other pen like that. So this is one tangent at the point L. So this is another tangent at the L, at the point L. Like this, another point, like this rough figure I am showing that. Like this, another one. Like this quadrilateral forms. So how to get that area? Given equation AE comma B square means eccentricity is very much required. X square by 9 plus y square by 5 equal to 1. So eccentricity anyway is greater than B, clearly E equal to root of 9 minus 5 by 9. So 4 by 9 it is equal to 2 by 3. A square minus B square by A square. So now L coordinates, L is equal to AE comma, A value is 3, E value is 2 by 3, comma, B square means 5 by A value is 3. 3 get cancelled, 2 comma 5 by 3. This is x1, y1. At this point, we have to calculate tangent equation. The tangent equation at L of 2 comma 5 by 3, that means x1, y1 to ellipse is s1 equal to 0. That is x1 by a square means 9 plus y1 means by 5, that minus 1 equal to 0, equal to 1 no? Minus 1 again. In place of x1, y1, 2 comma 5 by 3 substitute. So it comes as x by 9 into 2 plus y by 5 into 5 by 3 minus 1 equal to 0. 5 get cancelled. So 2x by 9 plus y by 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Take that LCM 9. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. That implies that 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. It is in this form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, dear students. So if you want to calculate the complete quadrilateral area, if you calculate only this part, that means ACB like previous first question, this area of the triangle formed by this tangent with the coordinate axis indirectly. So therefore, area of quadrilateral, the area of quadrilateral is equal to 4 times of the area of triangle formed by tangent 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 with the axis. So that is equal to 4 times of half into c square by ab. A value 2, B value 3, C value minus 9. So c square by ab. Formula also I am writing to students. 2 into 2 ones are 2 2s are. C square. So minus 9 whole square 81 by AB. 3 into 2 6. 2 to get cancelled. 3 ones 3 27s. So 27 square units. Therefore, the area of quadrilateral is 27 square units. I hope you understand. This is the fourth option is the right option, dear students. I will move to the another set of 2 questions. Shall I rub this? In the coming days, maximum I will try to keep 2-3 model papers with solutions. I will try at least 1 or 2 guarantee in our channel. If possible, I will explain in the tab. That is well and good, easy to. Why? Because 80 questions are there in the mathematics. Yeah, these are the questions in 2022's July session, I think, dear students. If the eccentricity and LLR, length of lattice rectum of the ellipse are root 3 by 2 and 1, then the sum of, question how they are asking creativity, then the sum of the lengths of major and minor axis of the ellipse is, the first option is 6, second option is 3, third option is 10, Fourth option is 8. So another question also I will write it here. We'll move on to that. I will explain at a time both the questions. The parametric equations of the ellipse, one of the students sent these questions, whose foci are -3, 0 and 9, 0, and eccentricity 1/3 or, that means parametric equations they are asking. So first option, x is equal to 3 plus 12 root 2 cos theta and y is equal to 18 sin theta, first option. Second option, x is equal to 3 plus 18 cos theta, y is equal to 12 root 2 sin theta. Next one, third one, x is equal to 18 cos theta, y is equal to 3 plus 12 root 2 sin theta. The fourth option, x is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 cos theta and y is equal to 18 sin theta. So these are the questions. After that I will finish it as the end the session. Yeah, Srinivasrao sir, I am unable to, why? Because I am explaining, no, after that I will chat, sir. If the eccentricity and LLR, that means length of lattice rectum of the ellipse are √3/2 and 1, then the sum of the lengths of major and minor axis. So first, what information they provided? Eccentricity is given. So E equal to √3/2. So very simple way we discuss. And LLR, length of lattice rectum, is equal to 1. What is the formula for length of lattice rectum? 2b square by a for the general equation of ellipse. So from that we can write it as 2b square equal to a. After that we have formula for b square. 2 into b square value is a square into 1 minus e square, which is equal to a. So one of the a value cancel, e equal to √3/2 substitute. So 2a into 1 minus √3/2 whole square. So 3/4 is equal to 1. So that implies that 2a into 4 minus 3 is 1/4 is equal to 1. So 2 ones, 2 2's, cross multiply, a is equal to 2. So a equal to 2 we got it. What they are asking? Length of minor and major axis. So b square value calculate immediately. A is equal to 2. Length of major axis length. So 2a is equal to 4. B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square only, no? A square means 4. 1 minus e square value we got it here, 1/4. So 4 into 1/4, 4 get cancelled, b square value 1. So b value is obviously 1. So length of minor axis length. So 2b equal to 2, 2 into 1. So therefore they are asking sum of the lengths, sum of major and minor axis is 2a plus 2b, that is equal to 2a value is 4 plus 2b value is 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. It is there in the first option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another set of question. Logically they given here. The parametric equations of the ellipse whose foci are -3, 0 and 9, 0 and the eccentricity is 1/3. So these are the options provided. How to calculate parametric equations? So foci values are given. No, one is S, another one is S dash. So center of the ellipse, center C equal to center of the ellipse equal to midpoint of midpoint of foci. So midpoint we need to calculate. Center of the ellipse is h comma k. It is denoted by dear students. So minus 3 plus 9 by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2. So it comes as 3 comma 0. So h comma k values. So h is equal to 3, k is equal to 0. H value 3, k value 0. What are the parametric equations? Eccentricity value is given 1 by 3. What for it is given? 1 by 3 eccentricity. I will tell here. To calculate eccentricity, A and B values are required. So distance between S and S dash is equal to 2AE. That is equal to distance between these two. 9 minus of minus 9 plus 3 whole square plus 0. So it comes as 12. So 2AE is equal to 12. AE is equal to 6. E value 1 by 3 is given. Therefore, since E is equal to 1 by 3, substitute in this. So A by 3 is equal to 6. That implies A is equal to 18. A value we got it. B square also. B value also we want to know. B is equal to A into root 1 minus E square. So A value 18. Root 1 minus 1 by 3. So 18 into 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 3. So 18 into root 2 by root 3. That we can write it as 18 can be written as 6 into root 3 into root 3 into root 2 divided by root 3. These two will be cancelled. 6 root 3 into root 2. So 6 root 6 we can write it, dear students. B value. Okay. Am I right? 6 3 is 18, no? So 3 root 3 into root 3 we can write it as root 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 3. E square means 1 by 9 will come. Sorry. Here 1 by 9, dear students. So automatically it will change. So 8 by 3 will come here. So 18 into, this is 2 root 2. Root 8 by root 3. So root 3. So 18 can be written as 6 into root 3 into root 3 into 2 root 2 divided by root 3. One of the root 3 cancel. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into root 2. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into root 6. That is B value. 12 root 6. Okay. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 3. 2 root 2 by root 3. E value is 1 by 3 only in eccentricity. So B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. That's why B is equal to root A means A value separately I wrote. A value only here 18. So it comes as root 18 also. A value is 18. So 18 into root 1 minus E square. 1 minus E square value 1 by 9. 9 minus 1 8. 8 by 3. So root 8 by root 3. Root 8 means 2 root 2. Root 3 get cancelled. 12 into root 6. Yes, okay. Leave it like this. After that, for the ellipse x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equal to 1. For this type of ellipse, what are the parametric equations? We know that x minus h, this value is there now, equal to a cos theta, y minus k equal to b sin theta. This is the information, dear students. X minus h is equal to a cos theta, y minus k equal to b sin theta. So x minus h value is what? 3. X minus 3, a value is 18 cos theta. So x is equal to minus 3, we can take this at 3 plus 18 cos theta. Next, similarly, y minus k value 0, here it is there, this is k value, into b value is 12 root 6, 12 root 6 into sin theta. So y is equal to 12 root 6 into sin theta. So these are the options, dear students. 1 minute, I will come back with the Students, here b value only little. Why? Because b square is equal to, we have a square into 1 minus e square now. A square means 18 square will come. So b value anyway root a square into 1 minus e square. A value is 18, 1 minus e square. 1 minus root, that also root. Here 9 it won't come, 9 it is not 3. Here only I forgot. So it root 9 means it will be 3. It will be 3 means automatically only it changes. B value only changes. 3 ones, 3 6. 6 into 2, 12 root 2. This is the right one, not root 6. So automatically what comes here? Root B value. Here x is equal to, these are the parametric equations of ellipse. So in place of root 6 here 2 you can write it here. So therefore the answer is x equal to 3 plus 18 cos theta and y is equal to 12 root 2 sin theta. So option B is the right option for the question. If possible, if time is there today evening, I will plan to explain the limits and continuity previous year's questions. If possible, maximum I already kept a number of videos in the playlist limits and continuity, but still some questions I will cover in the evening time. In between 7 to 8 or 6:30 to 7:30. In the meanwhile, I will. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with PHANEENDRA. Those who are preparing for advanced supplementary or improvement exams, you can take the help of our channel. Number of AP videos are there, respectives of Maths A, Maths B, Maths 2A, 2B. You can utilize, dear students. If you really like this video, please share to your friends. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with PHANEENDRA.